only two things that matter to your clients. One, your clients want you to solve their specific problem. They don't want you to simply bounce it back at them. Two, your clients want a life coach who can deliver results. Many traditional coaches will see this as an invitation to delve into the client's past and look for answers. They confuse solving a problem with fixing a problem. Traditional coaches mistakenly believe that fixing a problem will lead to a desired outcome, but it never does. Let me illustrate this point with the following analogy. If you drive a car that is past its warranty stage and the engine starts leaking oil, that leak can probably be fixed. But before long, you will start having transmission problems. Your suspension is no longer what it used to be. And on cold winter mornings, your car will not start. So, if your desired outcome is to enjoy a trouble-free driving experience, plugging the oil leak is not going to be enough. You are better off buying a new car. This will solve the problem and not just fix it. Or perhaps your clients want to take life in a completely different direction. What if you could restore your clients to a point from where they can choose a different path to travel on life's journey? At some point in our life, we all arrive at a crossroads from where we have to decide, do we turn right or left? Perhaps we chose a partner and asked that person to join us on our journey. But what if we chose the wrong partner? Perhaps we committed to a career path based on education or family expectations. But what if we were unhappy with our career choice? Perhaps we started a business only to find that it's not profitable or even viable. What if we were seduced into believing that drugs or alcohol are the antidote to our pain? Maybe we are following a faith that no longer meets our spiritual needs. We can never go back to our past and change it. But we can return to a restore point and start a new journey in a different direction. Your clients can go back to that crossroads and turn left where they once turned right. The intersection will look different. A lot of time has passed. The landscape around the intersection will have changed. Worse yet, the intersection is covered by rocks and debris. It is time for coach and client to start a major cleanup. Based on the coachable moment you just watched, here's today's coaching challenge. What is the significance of a restore point? 1. It is the return point for any life coach. 2. It is a fresh beginning for any coaching client. 3. It is where your last coaching session ended. Or 4. It is a restoration of the past. The answer is number 2. A restore point is a fresh beginning for any coaching client. Check out all my online training at personacoach.teachable.com.